Hi, in today's video, I'll be doing the tribal braids. I'm going to show you how I got this done. Please stick around and watch till the end of the video. The knotless portion in the back is already done. I do have a video of how I did that, so you can click the link above. In today's video, I'll just be showing you how to do the feed-in portion in the front. I'm parting the hair to have a single braid in the center of the head. Starting from the middle will just allow my braids to be symmetrical on both sides. I have a video of how I do the feed-in braids, but I can do a recap for you guys here. So what I'm doing, I'm adding small pieces of extension as I braid between my pointer finger and my thumb. So after a braiding rotation or two, just keep adding the hair until you get the desired thickness and length. Next, I'll be braiding in the opposite direction at the side of the head. This adds to that tribal look that we're going for. Later, we're going to add some beads to just jazz it up a bit. Now we're back at the top of the head. I'm going to part a small section on each side of the middle braid. I mean, you could have done this when you did that middle braid in the beginning, but I just wanted to get the sides out of the way. Detangle the hair if necessary, and then part each portion in half. Now that we're done parting, I'm going to start the braid on one side and then end the braid on the opposite lower half. Here I'm doing the same thing on the other side. The complete look will give you an X pattern over that middle braid. I went ahead and added 2 braids on each side of the pattern braid. Now I'm back at the sides. I'm going to create a braid there. I might add another one, and then I'm going to do the same braiding X pattern for the rest of the hair. Like before, we're going to section the middle piece and braid that first. Then, the hair on both sides, we're going to split into 2 halves. Braid the first half, then end the braid on the lower portion of the opposite side. Then you're just going to do the same thing for the other one. I'm going to be adding all the cornrows and the top portion of the box braids into the bun to give it a fuller look. To be honest, I wasn't really feeling this bun, but you'll see the pictures in the end where I redid it, and I like that better. Now this is the fun part where I add all the jewelries, the strings, and the beads. Here I have my desired length, so I'll be cutting off the excess and just tucking that into the bead with a comb. This is the finished look. Please go ahead and give this style a try and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment sections. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.